we are going to see the part design library, and after that start mechanical design, part design, and this window is displayed on the mechanical design. Under part design there is product. Under this we can also rename it the product as the name of the product we have designed. For example, if I want to design a box, just like say a box, I'm designing or I'm modeling now a single product. So this is box. The part of the box should be written as, for example, box has a number of components, but today I would like to show a single modeling of box from one. So let's say this part name box and part number, let's say 1. So under this we have seen that the 3D view, the 3D space of the component or the model. After that we click on the plus sign and we also click the internal clock sign. Then the window planes are displayed. This is the XY plane, this is the YZ plane, this is the 3-dimensional ZX plane. For example, if I want to convert this plane to 2D or sketching plane, then for example I would like to select XY plane, then say in sketcher. This is the sketch. Then this is the 3-dimensional window is converted to the 2-dimensional window. Then this is the 2-dimensional tools which existed on the, you can drag and out from here, or you can back it just like this. So the tools are this. I would like to design a box. So this is the 3-dimensional component that illustrates. For example, this is the continuous line profile, this is the rectangle, this is the circle, this is the spline, ellipse, line, and axis. Point by click. This is the fillet, corner, chamfer, trim, mirror, and a number of components inside of it. For example, if we open the rectangle, under the rectangle icon, there is rectangle, there is oriented rectangle, there is parallelogram, and so on. So to design a box or to model a box, I would like to use a rectangle and click a point where the rectangle starts anywhere. For example, I click from the center of from the origin, and this put anywhere as a way you want. Just like click this, and this rectangle dimension is unknown. We sketch it. So to dimension this, there is a constraint. Then click this once and click the line. Then put it 280 millimeters. Then also this is the length, and the height of the rectangle is this 100 by default. Then we can convert these numbers to own numbers. For example, this is the length 280 millimeters. By double clicking on the dimension line, you can edit it. For example, I would like to design my box or model my box just 1000 millimeter. You can 1000 millimeter, and the height of the box is, for example, 1500. millimeter. It's a huge box. You can zoom in. This is the box. This is the length, and this is the what we call it, the height, and this is the two-dimensional picture. And we would like to exit workbench and go to the 3D. Exit workbench. This is the active sketch to be converted to the 3D object, and we click on the pad icon. Pad means the extrude icon, and also by default it extrudes 20 millimeter. And I would like to model my box just 1000. Yeah, this is the model of the box. This is 1 meter length, and this is 1.5 meter height, and this is 1 meter width. And this is the thread of my box model. If I want to divide this box at 4 specific points, for example, at this point, at this point, and at this point, or it has 4 partitions, let's select this face and convert it to the 2D picture, and 2D picture, select this face, convert to 3D, and we want to bore this object by using our partitions. For example, if without any dimension, we can draw this just like this. For example, we can draw this without any dimension, just like this. We can make it without considering any dimension. We can draw this freely. We sketch it. Just like this. Okay. Without any dimension, we have sketched. For example, this is a sketched view. So select this, double click on this, and to divide the partitions, let's use this tool, pocket, and 1000 millimeter is reduced to 992 millimeter. This is the model of our box. It has four partitions. We can hide this axis. We can hide it. So we simply develop a catia model. It has 4 partitions without any dimension. So this is just like the modeling of an object, a single object, using a catia software. So by using this tool, rotate tool, we can rotate the object just like this. We can rotate it. We can see that the bottom, the top, and the rear, we can rotate that. And also we can zoom in and zoom out the object, or we can fit it just like that. With different principles of view, we can see that